Okay, Samira, I just would like to really say one thing. Your social media, you're so active on social media and you're doing so well. And the way you are doing it, the way you are giving tips on health. So, what do you have any thing to say about social media? What do you think about it?
फिरदौस जी, जो ये दौर है ना आज का दौर, इट इज़ अ जेनजी दौर जो हम बोलते हैं, द एंटायर जनरेशन इज सच, एंड जो हमारा भी जनरेशन है, देर ऑल ऑन सोशल मीडिया. सो द इंफॉर्मेशन विच दे वांट टू हियर इज़ वेरी टू द पॉइंट, एंड हाउ it is going to help them. So everywhere, if you check, it is always information which goes viral is WIFM, means they want to know what is it in there for me to understand what is going to go viral, means मुझे क्या help होने वाली है ये reels सुनने से, which I think you are also doing amazing work. You've just about kind of got on social media. And you know, the way you are also going to be projecting is exactly this. So I've been on social media for 9 years now. So 2016 onwards, and what I always kept my ears open to understand that the audience wants to hear the real problems. They want to know the real solutions. So what is it that you are actually going to be putting on your social media? Let's highlight on that.
Actually, you're absolutely right, to be very honest. कि on social media अभी सिर्फ और सिर्फ not only entertainment is there, everything is down there. There are advantages and disadvantages of everything. But
course.
sometimes, to be very honest, if you be very positive in life, so you can see the better side of what's happening, like how you just mentioned. And आप जिस तरह टिप्स देती हैं, हेल्थ टिप्स देती हैं, उसको लोग किस तरह लेते हैं, वो बहुत ज़रूरी होता है. इसी तरह अगर सोशल मीडिया पे, जैसे अभी हम थोड़े से ज़्यादा एक्टिव हो गए, इतने ज़्यादा एक्टिव पहले नहीं थे, बट चूँकि अभी हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट है, इंस्टीट्यूट में जैसे हम लोग सिंगिंग सिखाते हैं, वोकल सिखाते हैं.
That's amazing.
Yes,
Really? You're
yes.
teaching singing.
Yes,
And you're also
classical and
doing-
Bollywood.
That's
And
amazing.
we are teaching instruments as well.
That's
तो
lovely.
I wouldn't say that classical के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा लोग आते हैं. People just want to come for voice culture. ठीक है, voice culture
Absolutely.
कर दिया, या किसी को गाने सीखने हैं तो गाने सिखा देते हैं, किसी को इंस्ट्रूमेंट सीखने हैं तो वो सिखा देते हैं. तो सोशल मीडिया के ज़रिए ही हम पोर्ट्रे करते हैं, हम बतलाते हैं कि भाई हम ये कर रहे हैं, और उससे
Absolutely.
रिस्पॉन्स भी अच्छा आता है.
I think that is so important because social media is basically, there are two ways of looking at it, but I always thought that it is a medium to explain to the audience what you are actually doing and how you are helping them.
True.
So you can also, I think you are actually giving a vertical to someone to actually become a musician or a vocalist or a singer. I think that's an amazing vertical to have. So I think social media, in terms of your YouTube,
I have my channel of YouTube, उस पे भी आएगा, Instagram पे भी आएगा, Facebook पे भी आप देखेंगे हमें. YouTube चैनल आपको लिंक में भी मिल जाएगा.
क्या
आपको
नाम
तो
है
अगर
उसका?
गपशप विद फिरदौस रफीक.
Oh, fantastic. This is so amazing. I didn't even know. देखिए कहाँ से ये hidden gem पूरा shine करने लगा है. And I know that every time we are posting, I see your likes, I see your comments, and I know that, I'm connecting to somebody. And I think that's what you're going to be doing too. You're going to be connecting to somebody.
Yes.
That
and I'm
is going to
liking the
be-
response because थोड़े दिन पहले, कुछ वक्त पहले हमने कुछ रील डाल दी. कभी कभार हम इनके साथ रील डाल देते हैं, कभी कभार बहुत शौक होता है तो कर देते हैं. तो लोगों ने हमसे इतनी खुशी से कहा, एंड दे वर सो एक्साइटेड एंड द कमेंट्स वर सो ओवरवेलमिंग दैट अरे आपने रील शुरू कर दी, हमें तो बहुत खुशी हो रही है.
तो बहुत बढ़िया है.
तो
देखिए इसमें क्या है, अगर आपका कंटेंट सही है, रियल टाइम है, लोगों को इंटरेस्ट होता है, एंड दे वांट टू नो हाउ एंड व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, बिकॉज पीपल take things very differently when they really know the essence of what you're doing.
True.
So I think when I'm teaching them the quadricep exercises, the back pain exercises, in my medical tourism where I'm helping people to go from, like for an IVF pregnancy from London, they're only flying to India for me, to Mumbai for me, and I know that I'm giving them the result and I'm putting it on social media. People are like, oh my God, you're really treating patients from UK? You're treating patients from Iran? They're coming for you? I'm like, yeah, they are.
सोशल मीडिया पे I'll tell you something, जो हम लोग करते हैं रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में, वो हर चीज़ we just don't keep going and talking about it, blabbing, blah blah blah. हम हर जगह बात नहीं करते हैं कि हमने ये किया, हमने वो किया. और सोशल मीडिया पे अगर हम ज़रा सी चीज़ बता देते हैं कि हमने ये काम किया है, वो किया, तो लोगों को पता चलता है. They understand, they know कि what is really happening.
See, I always believe that if you remember, we had Colgate and Godrej even when we were in times immemorial, when we were young. And why was that? Because they used some medium
True.
of marketing.
True.
So this is also a medium of not only marketing, but also information sharing.
True.
And if you have the right content, why will people not engage? Is my
Right.
question.
So that's very, very true. And on Instagram and on social media, I feel there's entertainment and health. A lot of health tips and a
Absolutely.
lot of entertainment as well.
Yes,
So
why
हम
not?
लोग उसी के जरिए बतलाना भी चाह रहे हैं कि we are doing shows, we are doing events, we are
Yes.
doing events globally. In fact, Fazal is also doing it in US.
How lovely. That is
And,
amazing. So tell me one nice advice that you'd like to give the audience from your behalf.
I would like to say, don't throw the key in the sea. वो चाबी को अपनी जेब में रखिए, क्योंकि आज नहीं तो कल वो चाबी आपका खुद दिल चाहेगा कि उस चाबी से अपने ख्वाबों की पेटी को खोलें और उसमें से अपने ख्वाब निकालें, और उससे आप दुनिया को सिर्फ घूमने फिरने से ही नहीं और लोगों से सिर्फ मिलने से ही नहीं एक्सप्लोर कर सकते हैं. यू शुड एक्सप्लोर योर सेल्फ. अंदर से खुद को एक्सप्लोर करने की कोशिश कीजिए. अच्छा समीरा, इफ़ यू वर नॉट अ डॉक्टर तो आप क्या बनना चाहती थी?
अगर आपको पता है या नहीं पता है, मैं आपको बताती हूँ. I was highly inspired by Lata Mangeshkar.
Oh,
I used to actually take singing classes,
oh, really?
and I wanted to be a singer.
Oh, wow.
Absolutely, and I really wanted to be a singer, but I realized it through time that A, I was not a good singer. B, my teacher was not encouraging me enough. That is what my biggest flaw was. Maybe if I had a mentor like you and your family, I would have mushroomed and bloomed into something different. But I really still love music,
Oh, wow.
and I am a doctor by day, but DJ by night. Because I love music.
People would really love to know that.
Yes,
That you're a
and I
doctor
do
by day
love-
and DJ by night.
Absolutely, I love it. I love to play for my friends. I love to play for my family, and I love music. And I think that's why I love you.
I love it too. Thank you so much.
Thank you, and that's what you don't know about me.
नहीं,
मैं आपको सच में
आज
बोलती हूँ.
पता चला आप सिंगिंग सीख रहे थे. हमें नहीं पता था आप
Yeah,
सिंगिंग
I wanted to be a singer.
मगर एक बात कहें, बेसिकली आई डोंट नो हु द टीचर वाज. अगर कोशिश करते तो आप अच्छी सिंगर भी बन जाती, बिकॉज आपके अंदर जिस तरह का, यू सच अ लाइवली पर्सन समीरा, यू सच अ लाइवली पर्सन, यू वुड हैव टर्न्ड आउट टू बी अ ग्रेट सिंगर.
Yeah, but I guess it was not meant to be, and of course
Meant
with
to be,
family
yes.
pressures of taking a medicine, my mom wanted me to be a
Oh.
gynecologist. I said I'm not doing that. I will do something with paramedicine, whatever best I can, because I would love to be the light of the life of the party. I love to be the life of the room. I love to enjoy what I do, and I enjoy healing people. I enjoy helping people, and I enjoy my music and enjoy my me time.
अच्छा समीरा, अब आपने कहा आपको लता जी के गाने पसंद थे, आप उनसे बड़ी इंस्पायर्ड थे. आपको और कौन से सिंगर्स पसंद थे?
देखिए, as a child, I remember my parents listening to Rafi Saab's music, and especially that Gulabi Aankhein wala. That was amazing. 100 साल पहले मुझे तुमसे प्यार था. I think those were just touching my heart. I still remember listening to it, and I still do listen to it. And I know I've been seeing your posts, which have been going viral with so many shows that you're doing. And I think just amazing work, and the way you're taking the centenary celebrations, the 100 साल पहले वाला 100 साल जो आप मना रहे हैं रफ़ी साहब का, I think that is truly really, really inspirational.
That's lovely. You know something about me? I learned sitar for 10 months from my mamu Ustad Rais Khan Sahab.
Wow, mashallah.
But for 10 months he just did that sargam with me, because obviously इतना आसान नहीं है भाई. And जब उंगलियां कट जाती थी तो बैंडेड बांध के कहते थे बजा ले, सीख ले मुझसे. तो 10 महीने हमने सितार सीखा था उनसे.
मेरी मम्मी सितारिस्ट थी, आपको मालूम है?
Oh.
She used to play the sitar, and she used to love it. But well, it was what it is, and I think that's where the connection is even
The
further.
connection is too,
Yeah,
very
so it's
honest.
amazing. Yeah, really.
Yes, and
So
I
think
learned
that's where the-
8 years. I learned Bharatnatyam.
क्या बात कर रहे हैं? आरंगेतम किया?
या भरतनाट्यम किया हमने.
आरंगेतम
बीच-बीच
किया?
नहीं, आरंगेतम नहीं हो सका क्योंकि बीच-बीच में से बहुत छूटा.
Oh, my daughter's done
और बहुत
आरंगेतम.
शौक था. I know that definitely. तो उसी तरह म्यूजिक के अंदर बहुत ही रुझान रहा है. म्यूजिकल आर्टिस्टिक फैमिली से भी रहे हैं और आर्टिस्टिक फैमिली में शादी भी हुई है. तो दैट्स ब्लेसिंग इन डिस्गाइज कह सकते हैं. अभी आई एम ट्राइंग टू लुक इन फॉर माई सेल्फ. फिरदौस.
When the light turns from a floodlight into a halogen towards you, and you realize how beautiful you can turn your dreams into reality, And that is when you bloom, and when you love what you're doing, it shows in your work.
Okay, Samira, I just would like to know what is the cause which is very close to your heart?
Well, see, frankly, losing my parents with ill health, I really thought that I should make a little noise about health and wellness. And so, in my 25 years of practice, I started Spirit 360, which was basically a platform for health care workers and healers alone, where we used to kind of, through COVID and post COVID, we started promoting them in terms of, as a doctor, I know how much time it takes for you to level up, for people to understand what you're doing and to create that faith and trust. So through COVID, I started Spirit 360 through events of health and wellness. Slowly and steadily, I got partners. And now we have Spirit 360 Global Business Network, where we have all sorts of healers, doctors, entrepreneurs who are doing work and from a small to a large scale to a legendary worker who wants to scale their businesses. So today, if you want to scale your business, we are happy to support you. So we literally run Spirit like an NGO where we support all entrepreneurs globally. So we have meetings locally in Mumbai every month and online globally from different parts of the world. It could be America, London, UK, US, India, Dubai, all sorts of all entrepreneurs particularly who are doing some work. Even it could be a home chef, it could be a social media marketer. Small or large scale, we connect and we try to give them work, create a referral-based practice, and that's how they generate work for themselves, which is almost at a no cost, one-time lifetime fee.
I've heard
nothing.
a lot about this, and you've been telling me since a long time about it.
Yeah, so it is
To
network
join, and
marketing.
you've been saying
It is
that
network
आप
marketing.
आइए,
Yes, so we
आके
network, we kind of generate referrals for each other
Yeah.
with no personal, बोलते हैं ना एक personal जो benefit होता है, benefit ये होता है
सेल्फलेसली कर रहे हैं आप लोग।
selflessly हम कर रहे हैं, and I think it has bloomed into such a beautiful togetherness and extension of my work, my family, and I love each one of them as much as I love you.
Oh, that's great. That's great. Thank you so much, Samira.
Thank
Doing this session with you was a pleasure. Knowing you all the more.
Yes.
I know you definitely, but all the more a professional Samira Gupta.
Yes.
And hopefully आगे चल के और भी हम सेशंस करेंगे और भी
जी, जरूर।
मुलाकातें करेंगे
इंशाल्लाह।
और हम
Why
लोग
not?
अभी जो हमारा इवेंट हो रहा है नेक्स्ट उसमें आप आ रही हैं
जी
जो
जरूर
हमारे रफ़ी साहब का 100 साल पहले हम कर रहे हैं फिर से
जी
So you
जरूर।
have to be there now. This
Definitely.
time you have to see that आप कहीं और ना हो और इस इवेंट में आप हो क्योंकि हम लोग ये 100 साल हर जगह ग्लोबली सेलिब्रेट जो कर रहे हैं तो उसमें आप होंगी तो हमें खुशी होगी।
Yes, definitely.
भाई के
I'm
साथ।
always my good wishes. Thank you so much, Firdaus. Thank you so much.
बहुत सारी शख्सियतों के साथ आते रहेंगे, बहुत सारे लोगों के साथ आते रहेंगे, डिफरेंट फील्ड, म्यूज़िकल फील्ड, हर फील्ड में किसी ना किसी के साथ आपके सामने पेश होंगे और उम्मीद है आप लोगों को पसंद आएगा और अपनी दुआ में याद रखिए, अपना ख्याल रखिए। गपशप विद फिरदौस रफ़ी के साथ बने रहिए। गपशप विद फिरदौस रफ़ी को बहुत दुआएं दीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए और हमारे साथ बने रहिए और हमें ज़रूर कमेंट में बतलाइएगा कि आपको गपशप विद फिरदौस रफ़ी कैसा लगा। थैंक यू।